Hello, our little viewers! Today, we are going to have a fascinating journey together with Thomas. Let's go, Thomas! We are coming with you. Look, this must be Flying Scotsman over here. Hello there! Flying Scotsman's name starts with F. F is for Flying Scotsman, and also F is for frog. Good job, kids! Way to go! Goodbye, Flying Scotsman! Okay, kids, let's continue our exciting journey together with Thomas. Wow! This is the Big Blue Express, Gordon! Actually, the first letter in his name is G. G is for Gordon. And this is the goat. G is for goat. Bye, Gordon! Awesome! You kids are doing great! Let's keep on going along the track. Oh, check this out! This engine is looking just like Henry. The first letter in Henry's name is H. H is for Henry. Oh, and that's a hamster? Right, H is for hamster. Excellent! Very good job, kids! See you later, Henry! Now, we will continue our fabulous travel together with Thomas. Wow! These are the yellow diesels, Iron Airy and Iron Bird. So, if you're attentive enough, you could see that their titles start with I. I is for iron. What an unusual animal we see! Iguana. I is for iguana. Goodbye, yellow diesels. What an incredible job you did, kids. I'm so proud of you. Let's continue riding and see who's waiting for us next. And here's a red tender engine, James. His name starts with the letter J. J is for James, and that's a jellyfish. J is for jellyfish. Goodbye, James! So, today we have learned 5 more letters of the English alphabet. And this was so easy! You guys are very smart! In the next video, we will continue playing with Thomas and other engines. They will show us some more funny animals and letters. Subscribe to our channel, put likes, and share this video with your friends. Press on the bell to always watch our newest videos.